Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started generating images using Google Gemini's latest Nano Banana. They just recently announced this about 3 days ago. And here's the official announcement on the Google blog. Nano Banana image editing in Gemini just got a major upgrade. Don't ask me why it's called Nano Banana because I honestly don't know. It's kind of a goofy name. But yeah, it's amazing what this tool can do. I've been watching some videos on YouTube showing how to get free access to it in order to generate real life, hyper realistic images like this. And I've already pulled up a few websites that allow you to generate images using Nano Banana. This is one of them. It's called nanobanana.ai. And if we want to get started, we could just click on Start Editing right here, and it will open up this dashboard right here. And I can upload a reference image if I want to, or I could just do text to image. So let's say I want to generate a monkey holding a banana in a rainforest, for example. I could just type in that text prompt and then click on Generate, and let's see what it looks like. It actually was a lot faster than I expected, and there we go. So you can see that's an image of a monkey holding a banana. If I want to download this image, I could just click here, and then I will need to actually create my account. So let's just create our account here. I need to verify I'm a human through Cloudflare. So I'm just going to save it under downloads, and we can actually preview what it looks like in full size resolution. So I'm just going to open it here. And as you can see, look at the quality of this image. I will say it's a little bit pixelated when you zoom in. It's not the highest resolution you could find, but some of the other tools I'm going to show you will allow you to generate even higher quality images. This one, actually, you do need a subscription, so it's about $8 per month in order to generate images. Actually, it's $10 per month, and that's 100 credits per month. But if you keep watching, I'll show you how to generate these completely for free. First, I want to show you another quick one as well. Here's another tool that uses the Nano Banana AI image generation. So I could just ask the same prompt here, a monkey holding a banana, just as a simple example, in a rainforest. Then we're just going to click on generate. Let's see if it asks us to create an account. And it's saying generation failed for some reason. So this one's not very good. Let's move on to the next one, which is over here. This is Love Art. So here's another tool to generate images using Nano Banana. If I want to do that again, I'm just going to copy and paste in that same prompt right here, and it's going to, once again, ask me to create an account. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account real quick. I'm just going to generate the image, and let's see what it comes up with. Should take a couple seconds. It's currently thinking, generating the image. And it says, I understand you'd like me to create an image of a monkey holding a banana in a rainforest. Let me help you with that. And it should be using the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. It's taking quite a while to generate this image, though. I'm a little bit surprised. It's quite slow. And while that's working, I'm going to show you the best tool to use to generate these images. It's called lmarina.ai. So if I go over to this website, you can see all I have to do is prompt, and I do need to come up here to select direct chat. So once I select direct chat, I can choose the model over here. And in this case, we're looking for Gemini 2.5 Flash. I believe that's the latest model. Let me just search real quick. That should be the one. And then I'm just going to click on generate images right here. This is not much different from ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy and paste in that exact same prompt right here. And it should generate within a couple seconds. It's really, really fast. And this is what the image looks like. Pretty impressive. And now if I want to download that, I can quickly and easily do so. You just download this image. Just going to put it in my downloads folder. And we're going to open this up. The size is about 2 megabytes. So this is going to be a much higher quality image. If I zoom in here, you can see Pretty impressive what it came up with here. And that's the power of Nano Banana. I'm going to come back over here and see if this one finished is also finished as well. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm just going to open this. This one's 2.3 megabytes. So also, very high resolution here. And if I want to upload a reference image here as well, I can do that too. So let's say I search through some of my images, maybe this one, for example, and then I can add additional details. So make the background a picture of space. I don't know. Not very creative at coming up with things on the fly, but we'll see what this does. So I gave it a reference image from my trip to China recently, and I just told it to replace the background with a picture of space. So let's see what it comes up with here. Should be interesting. Oh, wow. So look at that. So it created the image and then it actually replaced the background with the Milky Way galaxy or something, right? So that's pretty cool. And I can do that once again. So let's open up that same image here. And I want to replace the panda with a gorilla. By the way, you will run out of credits after a certain point, but if that happens, you could basically just open up an incognito browser in Chrome, and you should be able to continue generating images. So it replaced the image with a gorilla instead of a panda. Absolutely amazing. This is in Chengdu, China, by the way. They have this building where you can go up. You can see a giant panda hanging off the side of the building. And I recently went there with my fiance and took some pictures. I could do the same thing and just replace it with a monkey or something, right? So replace the panda with a monkey holding a banana. Let's see what it comes up with. This one, lmarina, is a lot faster than some of the other free tools that I showed you. It doesn't require you to create an account or anything. And it literally takes less than 10 seconds to generate these images using Nano Banana, and it's all built in. So there we go. Here's another example. It replaced the panda with a monkey holding a banana. Absolutely amazing, and it only took a couple seconds to do that. So very, very cool. I'm actually going to save this because I might just use that as my thumbnail for this particular video, unless I can find something better. If I want to also open up that image to preview it over here, you can see it's pretty high quality. So if I want to actually replace myself with something, let's see if I can do that as well. I'm just going to replace myself with a robot. Let's see if it can identify where I am in the image and swap me out with a robot. And it looks like it did struggle with that one a little bit. It didn't replace myself with a robot. It just put a robot next to me. But still, with a little bit of extra prompting, you can see what it's capable of here. And I will make another video showing how to automate this using make.com, using another tool which is called Open Router. So this will give you access to all sorts of different LLMs. If I wanted to take a look, I can just click on models here. And you can see all of the different LLMs. There's literally hundreds of them available. Most of them are completely free. Some of them will require, you to pay a certain amount per token, million tokens. But as you can see, they do have Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview in here. This is how you would essentially automate this task. If I want to chat with this directly from Open Router, I can also do that here as well. And I'm just going to paste in that same prompt. And I'm going to turn on creating an image. And then I just click on create. And looks like user not found. Not sure what that error is about. Let me try that again. And once again, it says user not found. You should be able to generate images, and you can also access the API from here as well. If you want to integrate this into make.com, for example, you can come over here to the API, and then you get access to the curl right here. So this is essentially what we use for automating the image generation using Nano Banana. I will make another video about that later. This one is mostly just focused on creating the images for free. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And I will make another video showing how to automate this using make.com.